phony. That's really 5 watts. This is some bullshit. All right, sound guys, I turned down a little bit. But all this shit's really whack too. didn't get that anywhere near a drop D. What's next? Do I know it?
Alacrity.
All right. Easy rocker. These calendar days, dream by the wayside, often plays dead. Hopefully you're alive, a bed of sand, taken too serious, up all night, clearly delirious. We dance all day through prisons and costumes, cover your bruise with plastics and perfumes, hide all your hair, buy some new underwear, go to the beach, then you just stand there. If everything was always easy and alright, God, they would have never given us a Friday night. Almost every weekend it's easy to do the same. Drinking with the television, I want to complain. I'm not pointing fingers, I just find it to be true. It's hard for passive cultures to have something to do, cause that costs too much money and that's too far away. That's the way to get back home and that's the price we pay. To have something to call your own, to guarantee a place. Live with others, not alone, and recognize a face. Still you know it's commonplace to compare the steady grazing and static energy everywhere. God, you don't think that I'm just burning up in a chair? Well, nobody fucking cares. Halfway through the system, the solace that I found, the backwoods and the broken dreams and urban underground. Deep in my chest and my ear canal, taking me with it and showing me how. Taken into treatment, I'm greeted then bound, taken out of light and off from where we are now, and talking to the ancestors about what we have found. If there is a God, then our connection is sound. I'm released from the center and free to float about. Can't just get in anywhere and can't always get out. The fading not a given and the ending not a law. You should have heard just what I saw. And I don't know what else there is I can do. It's the only way that I will ever pray with you. Shimmy, go, go, mama, shimmy, shimmy, right. Shimmy, shimmy, go, go, mama, shimmy, shimmy, right. Shimmy, shimmy, go, go, mama, shimmy, shimmy, right. Shimmy, shimmy, go, go, mama, go, go, mama. Ah, shimmy, shimmy, go, go, mama, go, go, mama. Ah, shimmy, shimmy, go, go, mama, go, go, mama. Ah, shimmy, shimmy, go, go, mama, go, go, mama. Ah, shimmy, shimmy, go, go, mama, go, go, mama. Ah. Thank you. When I was in high school, I had friends. Some were shooting coke and some were skateboarding. But I never went there, although I saw the clothes. The Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost. Sparkling snow falling from the glistening glow, warming up the night. Hey there, street kid, I know you feel the ancient war. You gotta wake up the warrior that you were before. When I get old, I'm gonna speak my mind. When I get old, I'm gonna enjoy life. I'm gonna minimize pain, take it easy. I'm gonna keep coming back, I'm gonna build my legacy. Can I have more vocals in the monitors? Yeah, I thought I could do it. I tried to do no monitors, and then they start blowing the voice out. If you're gonna tempt, then I'm in. If you're gonna cave in, I'm not all about it. I'm dropping out, fading in, like some late lost ghost of the morning. And behind you a staggered land, over your head I think he's drowning. Maybe he's dead, we'll carry him to teenage boys getting rid of a grown man. Alright, if you're wrong, let's roll, baby. Let's roll, baby. you a symbol here. Your big smile on dying in a year. With what kind of people are you going to return with? I simmer past the meal with lies. Dress the invisible man that dies without the love of his life to be with. Oh, stay returning here this way with everything but told by who we sleep with. So tell me, is she my enemy or just another reflection of me? With whom do you want to blend in with? Background, in the background, in the background, in the background, in the background. Everyone knows how to wait. There's nothing to calibrate. It's a decision. Everything gets softer now. Everything rolls off and down. Give up conclusion. Anatomical anomaly. Covered up so I'd want to see beyond the body. But now I'm figured out. It's all uncovered now. And if it flew away, memories are cheap escape. That's my takeaway. We both dream of all day. We'd be able to get away from all our problems. All our problems are in our head, right next to astral projection. It's no question. It's a no-brainer. But I'm not gonna get out. I'm gonna buckle down. I'm gonna control me. Only observe what I see. I'm gonna see you as myself. Live and listen close. I can move up and down, north, south, east, and west. So when the Strokes get back together, they can buy that one. that they pass, where we sell our fucking plasma too, because we're fucking bums! What a mess. Artist. Artist. If I could say one thing before I'm mute, my head is glass, I have vision, I call it cute. I can see clear, even like a rearview mirror. Very careful, but a few times I have been dumb and some thought that I may have made to steal my brain. Very scared, paranoid, afraid what to do. Clean up and act to pretend like I'm not caving in. Maybe I have damaged my nervous system. Anxiety from stinging. Cold sweats crawl over me. Now I am vomiting again. Understands. I can't make it out, but I hear it breathing. Not away, not gone. Maybe I have torn a part of me. That was Wig Out. This is Heater. accept me. And mother, accept me. Mother, accept me. Mother, accept me. Mother. Turning that fuzz back down. All right, wish us luck. This is our last song. It's about America. Sorry. To the basement, 'cause the cellar's done. I'm going to the cabinet to get myself a gun. I'm going to the moon tonight. I'm gonna drink myself a drug. Mine ain't no black magic. I ain't no common thug. Say what? Through the ceiling, down a ladder to the stars, just talking to people that I don't like, sitting around in bars. I said to the bookie, why don't you take my bet? And he says the horse that you're betting on ain't even been born yet. I said, say what? But that's what you get, what you get. And all of America knows that that's what you get. That's what we got. That's all we got. And all of America knows that, knows that. Through the drawers tonight, I give my passport and my cash. Got 100 million TV sets, got 4 cell phones to smash. I got a yoke to crack, I got a joke to catch, got a cold one I can't fit in. And they know we're all uneducated. The more they take, the more we'll fucking spend. What you get, that's what you get. And all America knows that that's what you get. That's what you get. That's all we get. And all America knows that. Everything gets softer now on a mash of common ground. Complacency has ran it there where the arrivals slot. And I stare at one eye at a time in the mirror, and I know I am what I'm not. I'm what I'm not. All of America knows that I'm what I'm not. I'm what I'm not. I'm what I'm not. And all of America knows that. Thank you. We're the Hail Bop Group. We have our very first Hail Bop Group t-shirt here. Very first show ever. And we have our brand new Hail Bop Group vinyl for hipsters with record players or people with grandparents. And a bunch of stickers that Colette made. And thank you all the other bands. I can't even remember them all. Thank you.